What I like about using the dog bowls for the bird baths is that I can take it in and wash it out in the bathroom sink, and the frozen ice comes out and I can put fresh water in it. So they don't have frozen water, they have fresh water. I've already seen one bird drink out of it. The squirrels haven't shown up. And I have a finch feeder, but I have no finch food. I did have some. I put it on the table that I made out of the door. I have suet I put out, but I got it out of the freezer. I warmed up one side with some warm water. So half of it is probably edible, but the other half isn't. I like to put the suet and the bird food very close to the trees because we have hawks and vultures in the neighborhood flying all about. I don't know what they call it, but a grouping of 30 vultures moved in last fall, and every once in a while I see them spiraling above my house and above my neighbors' houses. There are other seeds that these birds can eat. They're the seeds that come out of the gum balls from the gum tree. There are so many other seeds because we don't get rid of all of the morning glory vines. Hopefully the morning glories are going to be spread out throughout the neighborhood. Sorry. I call it the blob. Anyway. You can see the cardinals better than any bird, but I've seen a lot of finches this morning. I put out sunflower seed my sister gave to me for Bob and me to eat. Sunflower is very high in B1, so I'm eating sunflower seeds more often. And I have put out a birdhouse that I bought. We got a lot of birdhouses in the yard. I think it's to fake out the squirrels and the snakes and the rodents from getting the bird eggs. They have to search which birdhouse, which bird nest. But this Saturday, if it's warm enough, we're going to clean out some birdhouses because it's January and they're looking for nests and boxes.